Oklahomans need to be prepared for scammers promising those cheap, fast repairs of storm damage. That's according to the Oklahoma Attorney General's office.
The Consumer Fraud Division tells us there are telltale signs someone is out to get your money instead of helping you. The Oklahoma Attorney General's office says scammers are already in green country, ready not to remove your limbs and debris, but to haul off some of your money instead.
Especially after storms where multiple parts of your house can be damaged, whether that be a roof, a fence, a tree. Our complaints normally, they run the gamut on all types of contractors.
Assistant Attorney General Matt Willoughby has prosecuted storm scammers in court before and says there are obvious signs you're dealing with a thief.
There's multiple crimes that we can charge someone, whether it be a misdemeanor or felony. The distinction between a misdemeanor or felony typically involves the amount of money that was involved in the transaction.
Willoughby says it's the desire to get back to normal quickly is what scammers will hone in on. They'll promise quick fixes and demand you pay them up front to get the work started immediately at a good deal. He says it'll be very similar to other high-pressure sales tactics you may have experienced before in your life.
They may come up to your door 2 days after the storm and say, hey, I'm only going to do it for X amount of dollars if you agree to it today. Don't do that.
The AG's office says you need to shop around, get multiple estimates, check online reviews, and find out who's local, insured, and bonded. It's okay to take your time, and it's okay to see if your insurance company has someone they trust locally for a quality job. You also shouldn't pay until work is finished.
Whether it be a door-to-door salesman or otherwise, get a written estimate, make sure the estimate's in writing. Once you get that estimate, you need to go out on your own and probably get 2 to 3 more estimates. One major red flag is when a contractor, underbids a job.
Willoughby says the AG's office can seek out restitution for homeowners to get their money back for shoddy repairs to be properly fixed. But if the scammers are from out of state or are not an actual business, it will take time to track them down. The AG's office put up these signs around Tulsa with a hotline you can call if you feel you've run into a scammer or have fallen victim to one. We want to show you the AG's hotline to report suspected contractor fraud one more time, and it's right there on your screen. Open up the camera on your phone if you want to take a quick picture of that. It's 1-833-681-1895. Again, 1-833-681-1895.